Hey everyone, this is Deepika and welcome to Kanooni Soch. Friends, today we have got a very important video for you on divorce. Friends, as you know, we keep on uploading legal videos related to matrimonial issues which you face in our daily life on this channel. So friends, if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe it and press the notification bell so that you can get quick updates of our legal videos on this channel. Friends, today we will be going to discuss on divorce. As we all know, if we have any matrimonial dispute and supposing husband and wife go for divorce, then there is a necessary condition for divorce that you can go for divorce only when it has been 1 year or more since your marriage. Now friends, few cases arise where conditions are so bad that you can't bear your partner for 1 year and you can't wait for 1 year for filing divorce. That means conditions are so miserable that you can't bear your partner for 1 year. So friends, in that condition, you can file divorce before 1 year also. There is provision in our Indian law that you can file divorce before 1 year also. But friends, what is that condition? When can you file divorce before 1 year? We will discuss this in detail in this video. So friends, don't skip this, don't miss it and watch it till end. Now friends, if you have any matrimonial dispute or your divorce case is going on, then I have made many videos on divorce also. You can watch those also. In those videos also I have told many important things about divorce. We have also discussed grounds of divorce. Now friends, in section 13 of Hindu Marriage Act, there is necessary condition of 1 year. Now if you want divorce before 1 year, then friends, in section 14 of Hindu Marriage Act, there is an exception that if your partner is doing excessive cruelty on you, then you need not wait for 1 year to be completed after your marriage to file divorce. You can file divorce before 1 year. But friends, there is excessive cruelty mentioned over there in the exception of section 14 of Hindu Marriage Act. Now what can be that excessive cruelty? We can come to know by its name also. Excessive cruelty, that means the level is too high. You can't bear your partner, you can't live with your partner because he or she is doing excessive cruelty on you. Whether there is, it can be physical cruelty, it can be mental cruelty. That means you can't live with him or her, with your partner. So friends, in this case, now friends, if you are going for divorce by using this exception of section 14 of Hindu Marriage Act, then you need to have strong evidences, strong proof with you. Otherwise, your petition will be dismissed. Now friends, before going for this, you need to take care that you have strong evidences and you can prove in court that yes, excessive cruelty has been done to you. You should have such evidences by which it can be easily proved in court that excessive cruelty has been done on you. Friends, here the presentation of your lawyer also matters a lot because your lawyer only convinces court that yes, in this case all this has happened and therefore my client wants divorce before 1 year. So you need to take care of all these things. Now friends, if we talk about cruelty, then it becomes slightly difficult for husband to prove cruelty, that how cruelty has been done by wife on husband. But friends, if you have evidences, it can be mental cruelty also. But if you have evidences to prove the same, then you can go for it. Friends, this is the procedure that how can you get quick divorce before 1 year? How can you file divorce before 1 year? So friends, I hope this video is helpful, useful for you. If it is so, then don't forget to like and share it. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care and thank you for watching.